Jamaica's Reggae Girls defeated Nottingham Forest women 3-0 in their charity game in honor of the Windrush generation in Nottingham, England today. It was the first game for the Reggae Girls since their historic qualification to the World Cup on October 17. Only 7 players from the CONCACAF Championships made the trip, as the other players were not released by their clubs and colleges. It therefore allowed some other players a chance to impress the coaching staff, and that they did, with 2 of the goals coming from a player who was not in Texas. While the teams ended the first half 0-0, goalkeeper Christian Chambers, who missed the CONCACAF round due to school commitments and injury, helped maintain that scoreline when she saved the 32nd minute penalty. Sade Adamalakan, a member of the under-17 team, gave the Reggae Girls the lead in the 52nd minute when she scored from a Shanice Foster cross to send the Jamaican fans who braved the cold into a frenzy. Foster, the Arnett Gardens forward, had her moment 3 minutes later to make it 2-0. Adamalakan returned in the 75th minute for her second and the Reggae Girls' third to cap off a good trip to England. Head coach Hugh Menzies told TVJ Sports it was mission accomplished.
Yeah, we thought we achieved what we wanted to. Obviously, we're trying to increase our pool of players, giving players an opportunity to be evaluated. So we thought the first half it was a little bit cold, so the acclimation process was definitely a factor. But the second half we had at halftime we kind of made some adjustments, mainly mental adjustments, just dealing with the adversity of the environment, and the girls came out and actually performed much better.
And Menzies was also full of praise for the Nottingham Forest organizers, as well as the thousands of Jamaicans who supported the Reggae Girls.
We got an opportunity to do that, and obviously all the support that was there, close to 4,000 people that were there, and they're all Jamaicans and flags and so forth. So much appreciated. And also on the field, I thought we did well. Off the field, I think we did better. We put on a show, and obviously the Jamaican people that came out to support us very much appreciated, not just because of the results, but the style of football that we play.
The Jamaica-based members of the delegation will return to the island at 5 o'clock Monday afternoon.